Isli is both a business hub and a residential area. The end of the Muslim fasting month of Ramadan is usually busy for traders, with thousands of Muslims flocking to buy clothes and food in readiness for the Eid festivities. But not this year. The government imposed a lockdown here 2 weeks ago after dozens of residents tested positive for COVID-19.
This Eid is just by name. We have nothing to celebrate. Only a handful of customers are coming to buy clothes to celebrate Eid.
Even the textile vendors this market is famous for say they're feeling the pinch.
Business is down by more than 60%. Remember, it's not just the lockdown of Eastleigh, but the order stopping people from entering the city of Nairobi that's also keeping shoppers away.
The lockdown's been extended for another 2 weeks. Police checkpoints are at all entry points into the suburb, allowing in only medical personnel and essential service staff.
Government officials insist that the lockdown is necessary given the high number of coronavirus cases found in this neighborhood. Tens of thousands of people come here daily for business, and there are fears of a spike in COVID-19 cases if strict measures are not taken.
The Eid season has also always been a busy period for livestock traders. The Muslim faithful will buy goats and sheep to celebrate the end of the fasting with friends and relatives. With the pandemic, such gatherings are out of the question.
People are not happy. There's no joy in this. Not only coronavirus pandemic, but it has been exacerbated by the fact that Italy is sort of a lockdown. No one is coming in, no one is going out. The little they will have earned is not happening. So people are not buying goods. Economically, they are challenged and they're frustrated.
And so after a long day at the market with no meaningful sales, livestock traders had their flock back to their sheds. They too are slowly realizing that this Eid season is like none they've seen before. Mohamed, Al Jazeera, Nairobi, Kenya.